What's going on, everybody? Colin here for Techout, and today we're going to be talking about everything that the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't have. And this is my Galaxy S25 Ultra right here, because obviously the Galaxy S26 Ultra has not been announced yet, but we do have some leaks, rumors, speculation, and inside knowledge on things that it will not have. So I want to go over that in this video. First things first, probably the biggest thing that everybody's been talking about since the Galaxy S25 came out, and that is the S Pen. It will not have a Bluetooth S Pen. Samsung has not brought that back. We were kind of hoping it. I know we had a little petition last year for people wanting Samsung to bring back the S Pen Bluetooth functionality, because it's really helpful to use it as a little camera shutter remote. You know, you can have your phone way out yonder on a tripod or something like that, and you can control the camera with your S Pen. But unfortunately, they did not bring that back, or it looks like they will not be bringing that back. Second thing, it was kind of rumored that Samsung might start with the S26 series. Haven't heard this in a little bit, but it was one of the things that was talked about kind of right after the S25 Ultra came out, and that is a silicon carbon battery. So far, none of the mainstream tech brands, Apple, Samsung, Google, nobody's really moved to silicon carbon batteries. OnePlus has it. That's pretty much the only phone I know of that's kind of close to mainstream here in the US that has a silicon carbon battery. And that's still kind of up in the air on the durability and reliability and health of those batteries and stuff like that. So Samsung has not done that on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Another big thing is this has just started coming out over the past week or so. It will be missing Qi 2 magnets built into the phone. You will still need a case. I was looking to see if I had it. Yep, I do right here. You will still need a case with magnets built in to have Qi 2 magnetic functionality. So if that's something that you like, unfortunately, it does not look like the Galaxy S26 series is going to be bringing the built-in magnets to the phone, which is a disappointment, because if you guys watched the channel over the past week, I tried out a Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold for a couple days, and I ended up returning it. But one of the things I did like about that is it was the only Android I've used that has the magnets built in. And as somebody who uses a lot of iPhones and Apple products, you know, the iPhone Air, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and for the most part, iPhones are my daily drivers. I've got a lot of MagSafe stands here on my desk, on my nightstand, in my car, all over the place, that I just pop the phone on there and it charges. I don't have to use, as you can see, I have a skin on my iPhone Air here, but I don't have a case on it, and I can just plop it right on the charger. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to use a particular case that has magnets built in, because not all cases have them built in. You don't have to go out and find a particular case that you really don't like or want to use just to get the magnets. So that's probably my biggest disappointment here with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is that it looks like it's not going to have that. A lot of people said it's because of the battery size and the S Pen, it just takes up too much space. I'm not really buying that, because Apple was able to have them built into the super thin iPhone Air. So in my opinion, Samsung should have probably been able to get it in a phone that's, you know, almost twice the thickness of the iPhone Air, maybe a little bit less, but still, I'm pretty sure they could have gotten some magnets on that back glass and built them in. But those are some of the top things that the Galaxy S26 Ultra was kind of talked about. But it looks like, based on the latest rumors and leaks, it's probably not going to have. So we'll know more on February 25th at the Galaxy Unpacked event, when they release everything and when pre-orders go live that day. But right now, that is kind of the speculation on what the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be missing. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.